Most of Pakistan's small businesses operate in the retail or the food sector. They make little profit in an industry that's often competitive. Azim Ur-Rahman is the owner of a small men's fashion store. He, like many others, has had to pay more tax in recent years. That's because the government of Prime Minister Nawaz Shareef has started to impose a stricter tax regime. He says news that the Shareef's family may have avoided tax angers him.
If I don't pay for electricity, I don't get electricity. If I don't pay for services, I don't get services. I have to pay taxes, but the rich, they don't. This is the lot of the poor man. We always suffer.
Taxation and making the system fair and more transparent was a big election issue for all parties. These posters encourage people to report tax avoiders. The details of the Prime Minister's family using secret offshore accounts has opened the ruling party up to allegations of hypocrisy. For one economics professor, the reasons for hiding money are simple.
Number one, they're corrupt. Number two, they want to hide their misdeeds from any nationalist democratic government which might catch their corruption. This new form of or new colonial system where our own people having foreign nationalities or assets in foreign governments steal from here and take it in other countries.
Although there's nothing illegal about offshore accounts, it's a moral issue for Pakistanis. They have long complained that corruption is endemic in the political system. The debate over offshore accounts continues in provincial parliamentary buildings like this across the nation and in the National Assembly. But it's also in the media as well. The opposition politicians are using it to bash the national government. The national government say they haven't done anything wrong. But stuck in the middle are ordinary Pakistanis who once again wonder exactly what their politicians are up to. Imran Khan, Aljazeera, Lahore.